I was visiting my uncle, and he had this lock, a discus lock, on his fence, and it had been there ever since he moved in, and he was never able to find the key, so he couldn't get it off the lock, and he was about ready to cut the lock because he needed to get it off, and that would have been very difficult because of the way these are made. Very strong steel, some kind of boron alloy, I think. So I told him I'd just pick it for him and that would save him some time, and he said go ahead and try, and I did. So he gave me the lock as gratitude, so that was cool. So all I had with me at the time was this jackknife, and I thought, no way could a jackknife pick a security lock like this, mushroom pins. But it's all I had with me, and it worked just as good as anything else. I picked it very quickly. Worked very well. So I'll re-demonstrate that with this again, just like I did there, and then I'll do this one for you. Now, it had been outside so long in the weathering and such, that it had become very rusty. That made it a little more difficult to pick, and also the position of it on the fence. But I was able to get through it. There we go. Okay. And here's the second one. This is the one I've had for a while. Craftsman discus lock. This one's not as rusty because I haven't had it out in the weather. I just keep it inside for picking purposes. But if you need to lock something up, these locks are really good for that. Very difficult to pick. But I've got my offset diamond pick here. Works very well for this. Remember, for security locks, always to keep light tension so that these security pins can pass the shear line without getting caught. There we go. Okay, you can get tools like this, like these, and jackknives from lockpicktools.com. Very high quality.